Hi friends, this is Pooja Singh and you are watching my channel Crack UGC Net 2017. So friends, आज हम कुछ लॉजिक के कॉन्सेप्ट्स को पढ़ेंगे। तो आई होप कि आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगे और अगर अच्छा लगेगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए मेरे चैनल को। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं सबसे पहले स्टेटमेंट। सबसे पहले हम समझेंगे कि स्टेटमेंट क्या है। तो स्टेटमेंट इज ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स that has meaning. So group of words that has meaning, but in logic statement means group of word that has two terms. First is used under subject and second is under predicate. So normally we consider statement as a group of word that have meaning. But in logic, if you want to study in terms of logic, so statement is there are two terms in statement, first term and second term. First term is called subject and second term is called predicate. Okay, so in logic terms we will study first subject and predicate term. So statement in logic are called prepositions. So what are the statements in logic used? We all called it prepositions. Okay friends, so there is we use in logic premises and term. So premises that has the major term is called major premises. So in premises there is major premise and minor premise. We will understand it in later. So term is there is the predicate of major premise is called major term. If there is major premise, there is major term and we denote it with P. And there is called minor, subject is minor term and we denote it S with S. So premise are called middle term which is denoted by, and M is denoted by M. Middle term is denoted by M. Okay, so main we have in logic major term, minor term and middle term. Okay, so there is a syllogism, different type of syllogism. First is categorical. So categorical and second is there is first is categorical. In categorical type of syllogism, like there is major term, minor term and the conclusion, like all graduates are eligible or eligible are men. So there is major and minor term. In hypothetical, there is, and the syllogism of this type use premise of the conditions, like if he works hard he will succeed. So there is condition. There is condition. Third is disjunctive. he is an honest man and he is not a thief. So in this syllogism, the major premise is disjunctive and other two premises categorical. Either he is an honest man or a thief. If he is the honest man, he is not a thief. So if two terms in there is opposite meaning. First is affirmed, the second. So if first is affirmed, second is denied. So in disjunctive statement, if first is true, so second would be deny. So in disjunctive we use this. Now relational. So there is relation in the like a has some relation with b, or b has some relation with c. So there is relational. In dilemma, if there is dilemma means confusion, either they are reliable or superfluous. So in dilemma we use this type of syllogism. Now copula we use is are, okay, are generally used, and logicians do not use was and were as copula because logicians always talk in terms of the present. So we talk about present. So friends, I want to show you a picture diagram in which I want to let you understand that how we use the type of categorical prepositions. Okay, so here you can see a. Here universal affirmative means all the we use all that comes in this category. A universal, a is universal affirmative. Now e, which is all not, so this is universal negative. Now if you come to some is come here in particular affirmative and some not is come here. Like if we take an example, universal affirmative, like all laborers are hardworking. So this will come in this section. And E, now no minister is dedicated. So no come in universal negative. Then is particular, some men are hardworking, there is particular affirmative and particular negative. Okay, so these are the prepositions. So this is the prepositions, and all the syllogism we use in which we take valid or invalid syllogism, we distribute of terms in the prepositions like this. So in case of a preposition, only subject is distributed. In case e preposition, both subject and predicate are distributed. In case I, neither subject nor predicate is distributed, and in case of o preposition, only predicate is distributed. So now the question is, how will the terms be distributed? Okay, so take the example that a preposition, that all manner, man is mortal. So man, here the term man has two meaning. First is man means human being, and second is man means animality. So if this term man has been used as denotation, that is man means human being, the term man will be distributed. On the other hand, if man means animality, that is notation of the term, it will not be distributed because there are other animals besides man, and the preposition will not remain the universal. So this if we take man is mortal, there is a universal affirmative. So you have to consider this diagram. A is universal affirmative, universal negative, particular affirmative and particular negative. So this is half of the video. If you like this video, I can make second part of this video for further understanding of the syllogism. Okay. So till then, bye, have a nice day. Thank you.